Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, I still youth videos, so if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, I've been vlogging some videos from like when and I've not put it together or anything. Don't mind my hair. Okay, I'm gonna pull it up because my head hurt me. Anyways, so this is gonna be like recap vlog, so it's gonna be looking a little bit jumbled, but I'm gonna try my best to like navigate you guys through it all. So I'll tell you guys like what was happening and all of that. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so the first part of this vlog is gonna be a job / opportunities fair that was happening a Friday. So I'm gonna roll those clips right now and then I'll see you guys after.
Ladies and gentlemen, just looking for the Uncle Hill Primary School student.
Alright, so we're at an opportunity and job fair over the center. So I came across to see what's happening. So I'll show you guys some of the booths that they have over here.
What you consider crush, I would take to be
the Jamaica
that butter there, that
special.
would be trash for you because it's a water bottle. When you drink it, you discard it.
So if you're here,
So it's a water bottle, the cup is covered with cement, right?
I might not need it time
It's
today,
plastic under the cement.
later on.
Alright, the black and gold bottle, that would be an upturn bottle. And same way you would discard the upper bottle, and I use paper tape to cover it, then paint it with acrylic paint, and
you want to
It did just look interested. That's what could look.
This container, what is it?
Alright, so these are what we call frames. These are inside of the height. These to make honey. Right about honeycomb.
Yes.
So this is what we call a foundation sheet. It's made from beeswax. This is onto the metal strings here and insert it into the hive. The bees will make honeycomb. Then remove the honeycomb. Call it an uncapping comb. And what you do is scratch the surface of the honeycomb. Because when the bees are making their honey, don't leave it exposed. You always seal it up. So it's protected from everything. So we use to uncap it. Insert it inside here and we spin it around. Now this is using what we call centrifugal force. It allows the honey to flash against the side. Once we're through, we have to lift it like this. Turn it around the next side. Because the bees will be on both sides. Once it's flash again, we can. After we let it through the extract, this is called a honey extract. 4 frame honey extract. We have 2 frames, we have 3 frames, 12 frames, 50 frames. They're big and commercial. And after you have extracted the honey from the frames, we now place it in a 5 gallon. From that. This is coming directly. That's how in Jamaica we talk about raw. Some areas in the States they pasteurize it. They only don't like raw. There are reasons why they would do that. Some persons can't really use the natural butter because it may cause allergy.
Because some person are allergic.
To a certain degree, you remove the slaughter. In Jamaica, it's a use of it. So most of honey is natural.
Natural honey.
So what's the price for one?
These are for 2.5. That's basically the step-by-step process of the extract. So some persons they extract some may extract covered area. Once it's protected from the elements and fecal matter or rushing. So it's a relatively safe. Don't give money to children under 1 year.
So, under one.
Chicken, but I don't want the rest of it. So much? Oh, you sell it?
$800. We're not killing them. How do you sell the soup? $200. Let me give you.
I think we must this guy about a dozen. Don't you? Don't think you're about a dozen. So looking back, you might do a dozen. So, we ready? Because the siblings is down. How much money got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
guys, so the next part of this vlog that you guys are going to be seeing, it's a concert. We went to a gospel concert called Total Praise. You know, I can't really, you know, make you guys hear the songs and all, so I'm gonna have to put like music over it. It wasn't much. I did do a lot of snaps because I knew I couldn't put the things here, so I didn't really vlog much. So yes, enjoy the little snaps that I took.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me like nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something. And so much more. You make me like nothing. Oh, run for your neighbor. Raise your hands and welcome. Let's run.
All right, so these last clips, I think is the last set. They're gonna be, no, it's not the last. I think I'm gonna let it be the last. So these last clips are gonna be what do you call it, sports day and some other sports stuff. I'm not sure if it was only sports day, but it had some sports stuff. So yes, these last clips are gonna be the sports kind of thing. So yeah, let's run that.
I've been wanting something. You make me like nothing. I've been wanting something. You make me like nothing.
Alright, so that's gonna be it, guys, for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was, as I said, it's pretty much like 3 different things, so hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.